Okay, everybody, let's see our new model, our new bucket of the 51.2 volts and 628 amperes. This is the big system, 30 kilowatts. This is unfinished product. Okay, let's see. We also use JK BMS, the 4.3 touch screen, and here we have 2 terminals. Let's see. And there has some functions. Power switch. This is the detail of the BMS connection. Here we also use the flexible bus, and we will have the EVA and the opposite board. PCB here, PCB with the temperature sensor. Okay, when this product we finished, I will update a new video for you. Goodbye.